All right, ready? Yep. Okay, we're going to press the start. We're going to enter our truck number. This is based on the customer settings. This customer wants the customer to have truck numbers. So now it says tip off and finish. We're going to raise the bucket full of material up. And you're going to see it calculates the weight. It automatically adds it to the truck total. The system assumes that we're going to dump this into the truck. So now we're going to go back down with the loader arm. We'll go to the pile. We're going to add another bucket of material. Now we're coming back up to the truck. We're going to raise a bucket full of material. And you can see it calculated the second bucket. We've got our bucket count as 2. This time it calculated 1.82 tons. So we have an accumulated total of 3.67. We'll go back down. The system assumed we dumped it in a truck. We scooped more material up in the pile. We go back up with the loader. And you can see it calculated 1.85. So now we're up to 5.52. 3 buckets. We'll go back down, scoop another bucket of material. $1.89. We're at 7.4. We're going to go back up. 1.99. That one was a little shaky. That was the operator. I normally don't operate a loader, but we're here to try to show you how operator consistency will add to the consistency of the scale. So again, we'll go back up. You can see we're back within what I would expect as acceptable tolerance. Go back down. So we got 6 buckets here. Go back up. 1.837. We're getting close on our status bar, comparing 13 ton to 17.5. So we're going to go back up a couple more times here. We're at 14.87. All right, now we're at 16.81. That's 96% of our target load. So if I go back down and I get another bucket full of material, you're going to see that we're going to exceed. We've got 18.65. We have 107%. So now I've got, in essence, 1.15 ton too much. So I'm going to hit the tip off button. And it's going to remove the last bucket. Now I'm going to shake off what I think is 1.15 ton of material. I'm going to go back down with the bucket, curling all the way back. And now I'm going to come back up to reweigh the load. And now you see I'm at 101%. I'm still 0.2 ton, 0.25 ton too much. So again, I'm gonna dump off what I think is another 250 pounds of material. I'm going to go back down with the bucket, curl it all the way back, and I'm going to come up to reweigh. Right there, I'm within 0.11 ton. that would be an acceptable load for this truck. I'm going to hit finish tip off, and I'm going to finish the load. Once I hit finish the load's going to log into the system, and this ticket printer is going to print out a ticket showing the customer, the start time, the finish time, the load number for the day, how many buckets were included, what the material name was, the total. If we were to set up price, we'd calculate price and then the total. Additionally, you can see this printer needs to be cleaned, but it's got the date, the time, and then the customer's information.